Looking for the best wood CNC router in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best wood CNC router available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The 3020 Plus Max CNC Wood Router is a powerful and versatile desktop engraving and milling machine designed for enthusiasts and small workshops. Equipped with a 500W high-speed spindle, it delivers strong cutting performance for wood, acrylic, PVC, plastic, and even soft metals like aluminum. The sturdy aluminum frame ensures stability and precision during operation, while the upgraded control board supports gravel for smooth and accurate motion control. With both 110V and 220V compatibility, it's suitable for users worldwide. The machine also supports laser engraving modules, making it a multifunctional tool for creative projects. Easy assembly, user-friendly software compatibility, and precise engraving results make the 3020 Plus Max an excellent choice for hobbyists and light professional use. Number 4. The Lunny Router CNC Machine 4040 Pro is a reliable and capable 3-axis CNC machine ideal for woodworking, metal, and acrylic projects. The lead screw-driven system provides smooth, accurate motion with minimal backlash, resulting in precise cuts and clean milling edges. Controlled via Grabble, it's compatible with many popular CAM programs, great for both beginners and experienced makers. Its robust construction ensures stability during operation, making it suitable for detailed engraving and moderate cutting tasks. Easy to set up and operate, the 4040 Pro delivers consistent performance across a variety of materials. This CNC router strikes a solid balance between strength, versatility, and affordability for dyers and small shop use. Number 3. The Twitrees TS450 Pro is a compact yet powerful CNC router offering both 3-axis and optional 4-axis functionality, perfect for jewelry, wood, acrylic, PVC, DEFM, and light metal work. It delivers precise engraving and clean cuts thanks to its solid build and smooth motion control. Easy to set up and compatible with common CNC software, the TS450 Pro is a versatile choice for hobbyists and makers seeking accurate milling in a small footprint. Number 2. The Acmer 4S70W CNC Router machine is a versatile and user-friendly 3-axis engraving and milling solution with a generous 400/418 work area. Its 70W spindle delivers reliable performance for woodworking, plastic, acrylic, and similar materials, achieving clean, accurate cuts. The lead-to-grain and intuitive controls make setup and operation straightforward, even for beginners. Safety features like the emergency stop button add peace of mind during use. With support for upgrades and easy software compatibility, the Acmer 4S strikes a great balance of power, usability, and value for hobbyists and small workshop projects alike. Number 1. The Bulkman 3D Oxman CNC Router Kit is a robust 4-axis industrial-grade machine featuring 1610 ball screws and dual linear rails for exceptional precision and smooth motion. Built for demanding tasks, it handles metal, wood, and acrylic cutting with accuracy and stability. The solid frame and quality components make it ideal for serious makers, prototypers, and small shops seeking professional-level performance in a D-kit format. A great choice for heavy-duty CNC projects.